Hey guys, this is B-Dubs, and today we're going to be doing a disassembly and assembly of the Ak74 UN CM035 CYMA mag. It goes with my Ak74 here. I have some other videos on it. You should check them out. Alright, so first things first, there's these two little pins right here. A front and a back pin. So what you got to do is you got to pop those out. Should be relatively easy. With the Echo 1 mags, the black metal Echo 1 mags, popping the pins out, at least on my two, are very hard to pop out. So once you get those two pins out, this black part should slide right out, and you have your internals, if you want to call it that, made out of plastic. This bottom plate here, after you take out the plastic internals, should slide right off. So now you have your outer casing and your bottom plate. You already have your two pins out. So now with this, there's numerous screws all along it. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there, there, and there. So you're going to need a pretty small screwdriver to take those out. Alright, so I got that coil on. Now it should go pretty smoothly from here because it's simply put the hatch on, lock them together, do a quick check, make sure your winding wheel's going good. Gotta push that spring down. Okay, so now you can hear that wind. Now, put in some screws. So there's 6 screws, one there, one there. Start to screw these in. Just going to get it basically in there. Use another screwdriver. Really get it torqued down because you don't want these to be loose. Next screw. Okay. Next screw. So you gotta get these corners locked down. And before I tighten them down too much, I like to make sure that everything's still functioning properly. Guess I gotta take it off. So let's do a quick check here. Okay. Put in this upper corner screw, I think. Nope, right here. Use a screwdriver. So what the heck? Not cooperating. So this screw in. Okay, once you get all those screws in, hatch should work. The restrictor right there should work. I think mine works. Yep. Here should wind. Now you gotta put on this little lock thing right here. When you take this off, especially make sure it doesn't pop around. Putting this back on, you gotta kind of force it a little bit. Using a little flathead screwdriver. Try to push this down. Okay, got that on there. Put the bottom plate back on. Make sure it slides on there. Get the little, catch the little lip. That, like that. Be able to get that on nice and easy. Then Get your mag in. Just double checking to make sure everything was together right. Should slide in, makes a pretty nice sound actually. Longer pin goes in the back. Maybe. Yep. I'll just tap it in with something. Make it flush. Front pin goes in. That one should be pretty easy to put in. So then you got this in. Then everything's working pretty good. It's pretty nice. Should fit right into your gun. And it should work fine. So that was disassembly, reassembly of Ak74 UN mag. There's another BB, I don't know where that came from. So check me out. I have some other videos. Like, subscribe, enjoy, get it going. Check out moderntacticalgear.com. Get the gear, complete the mission. And you should also look at Hockey Kid 30B. And he's got some really good videos, some skirm action. In some of those videos. We're a pretty tightly knit team, so you should check him out too. So again, Hockey Kid 30B on YouTube and moderntacticalgear.com. Get the gear, complete the mission.